Designed with comfort in mind, these Nikon PROSTAFF binoculars are a must-have for wildlife spotters and travellers. With multi-layer coated lenses and prisms, you get a clear view with sharp details, great for when you need an uncompromised close-up view. The phase correction coated roof prisms ensure that you get high resolution viewing, so even the most faraway subjects look crisp and clear. The waterproof design is effective up to 1 metre deep for 10 minutes, so you can enjoy a reliable performance no matter the weather. These Nikon PROSTAFF binoculars are perfect for outdoor use and bird watching, with enhanced brightness and clarity with sublime image quality.